So in this video, I'm going to inform you why you're not enabled to access certain shows or episode on Discover Plus. So if you're unable to access certain shows or episode on Discover Plus, now several factors could be causing this issue. Now first thing, the certain shows or episode may be subject to geographical restriction due to licensing agreement and all that. You could also check if the content is available in your region by reviewing the availability details provided by the Discover Plus itself. And in some cases, some shows or episode may be exclusive to certain subscription tiers or add-on package. Ensure that you've subscribed to appropriate tier that includes access to the content you're watching or trying to watch. And likewise, content availability may vary over time due to licensing agreements, expirations of right or the content ratio as well. You can check if the shows or episode you're looking for is still available on Discover Plus by searching for it directly as well. And likewise, there are some occasional technical issues such as server outage or connectivity problem causing impact access to specific content. You can try accessing the content again later on or in a different service to see if the issue persists on or not. Likewise, the device compatibility also plays a vital role. Ensure that you are using a compatible device, that your device meets the minimum system requirement for accessing Discover Plus as well. And so these were some of the reasons why you were unable to access certain shows or episodes on Discover Plus. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.